Subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss an update from eTimes TV.
Hello, Mehak. Welcome to eTimes TV. How are you?
I am very, very good. Thank you so much.
Mehak, you tell me what has kept you away from TV? Why, इतना delay या ज़्यादा shows आपने TV पे क्यों नहीं किए?
I don't know TV ज़्यादातर जब मैं इंडस्ट्री में आई थी तो ज्यादातर ये ऐसे चल रहे थे जैसे सास बहू वाले टीवी शोज चलते थे. अभी we are very lucky with all the OTT platforms that there's different kind of subjects. I felt kinda that I was not very fitted to do all TV or that kind of a fiction. I'm looking for fiction which is more like जैसे हमारे OTT platforms जो होते हैं more today's subjects and all. I'm not putting any fiction show which is there which are super hit on TV down at all. Maybe आज भी अगर मुझे offer मिलेगा तो शायद आज मैं ज़्यादा mature हूँ इन चीज़ों को लेके. जब मैं थोड़ी सी नई थी इंडस्ट्री में तो मुझे ऐसा होता था कि नहीं मुझे सिर्फ ग्लैमरस रोल करने हैं, आइटम सॉन्ग करना है, मूवीज करनी है. But obviously it's also that unless you can't connect to a role, you as an artist or as an actor, you won't do 100% justice. Maybe today, as I'm saying, as I'm more experienced in the industry, I will do something like this on TV or even an OTT platform.
But after seeing you in films like Nai Padistan, right? I've watched that film so many times. I've loved your work. Yeah, I've loved your work. Do you think you feel that somewhere आपको जो due मिलना चाहिए था, you haven't got that in the industry?
See, even if you're doing 100 movies, it doesn't mean that you're a super successful actor. I've been working all these years, doing my modeling or doing my TV commercials and music videos and Wanted and Big Boss and been working. If it's been on movies or web series or it's been TV, there's been something all the time. Maybe it's not been like 10 super hit movies. I don't feel that I've lost out on anything. I still have a long way to go. The main thing is just to be able to stand up straight and still be working and be one of those actors which are still getting work in today's day. I think that's a very lucky place to be in. And I'm happy and I'm thankful to God for that.
But do you feel you are an मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि आपको बहुत सारे और प्रोजेक्ट्स
मेरे यश चोपड़ा मेरे डायरेक्टर मुझे तक मिले नहीं अभी तक. This is for you, Yashraj. Please cast me. No, there's nothing like that. It also has to be like you have to find a director has to find an artist who he feels comfortable with. Maybe I'm not been a person who's been very outgoing and going and meeting people. It can be also from my side. I'm not saying the industry has been very nice to me. They've always been taking whenever I walk into a party or to a meeting, they're always like, "Oh, Mehenji, aap kaise hain? Aapne to ye kiya tha." So it's not that they've forgotten about me. Maybe time, my time will change and I will get 10 super hit movies still. Maybe still time for that to happen. So let's hope for the best.
Do you think this is the best time for actors also? Because there are for artists, in fact, there are so many mediums and so many subjects नए आ रहे हैं और एक्सपेरिमेंट हो रहा है. Do you think for an actor it is a very great time to be in?
Yes, we are very lucky now because of you've got so many different platforms there on the web. A lot of actors who are sitting at home are great actors. They've got work. A lot of actors जिनको हमें पता नहीं था कि इतना अच्छा काम करते हैं, उनके नाम इतने बड़े हो गए because of the web series being so popular. A lot of big actors are also doing so, and also it's आपके पास इंटरनेट है तो आप कहीं पे भी दुनिया में कोई भी इनमें से जो शोज हैं आप देख सकते हैं. So obviously the reach is much more. So obviously I feel lucky that we are in this time right now. क्योंकि पहले जमाने में यही होता था कि मतलब 4, 5 या 10 टॉप हीरोइंस है और उनको ही ज्यादातर काम मिलता था. वरना आपको सेकंड लीड में या फिर आपको बहन का रोल ये रोल, ये नहीं कहते कि वो कोई बुरी बात है, बिल्कुल नहीं. But also हर एक्टर is very greedy to do good roles and meaty roles, or even just like even if it's 3-4 scenes in a movie or on a web series, but at least they have to be strong and powerful. So that opportunity is obviously opened up for a lot of actors in today's date.
But has there been a phase where you have dealt with these stuffs कि आप बॉलीवुड में बड़ा नाम है, आप टीवी करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं और आपको स्टीरियोटाइप करने की कोशिश करते हैं लोग. Has there been that phase with you, that has happened with you when you have been labeled or stereotyped?
No, not at all, because you have to choose what work you want to do in the end of the day. So even if people see, अभी आप कॉमेडी मूवी करते हो तो कोई भी एक्टर कॉमेडी मूवी करता है तो इसको कॉमेडी में ही लो. जब तक आप नहीं दिखाते हो कि भाई मैं सीरियस भी कर सकती हूँ, मैं ड्रामा भी कर सकती हूँ, रोमांस भी कर सकती हूँ, ये तो आइटम नंबर करती है तो इसको यही दो, इसको जो गाँव की जो छोरी अगली लड़की है उसको दो. एंड एक्टर नीड्स टू मोल्ड इटसेल्फ विद लुक्स, with the acting, and obviously the director guiding that actor that way. Not only the chance. So even if you've been stereotyped with the way, it's your job to go and get yourself or go and take movies or go and take roles which are completely the opposite of that. I mean, if you can want to do 5 item numbers, do 5 item numbers. There's not a problem with that. But make sure that you do one which is the opposite. Like for example, when I did Nahi Padosan and then I did Chameli Sajna Mein Sajna, uske baad I did Wanted with Mr. Salman Khan, which is a completely different role where I play a negative character. It's completely glamorous. So it's up to you as an actor what you choose, and you have to break away from that stereotype. Unless you keep doing the same thing, then obviously people are going to say, "Yeah, isko to sirf yahi aata hai."
And how's the equation with Salman now? Are you in touch with him?
Why would I not be in touch with him? He's a person I've worked with twice, also during Big Boss. He will always be a friend. I always look up to him and respect him a lot. I mean, the whole industry does. He's a super duper amazing human being.
Yeah. Lastly, Mehak, before wrapping up, before taking up Khatron Ke Khiladi, you had your shares of ups and downs. Did that somehow, mentally break you, or it made you stronger to dive into a show like Khatron Ke Khiladi? What was the phase that you were going into? Before stepping in.
Every person, even if it's you being an actor or not, you got ups and downs in life. जिंदगी में कैसी चीजें होती हैं, आपकी फैमिली और आपकी ज़ाती जिंदगी में भी होती हैं. I lost my dad to cancer about 4 or 5 years ago. It was not that easy to focus about work at that moment. I myself had a personal accident, so that was also something I have been dealing with. I have had a 7-year-old niece who passed away. So these things are always coming in life, and personal relationships, So these are the part of your private life sometimes, which affects your professional life also. Sometimes when you're doing your professional work also, you do work and it's not so successful, so it breaks you. But that's a part of life, it's ups and downs. The main thing is to be able to get back up again and stand on your feet. It's not easy, but it just makes you braver and makes you learn the journey of how beautiful life is, and you have all your friends and families around you which keep supporting you. लेकिन नहीं कोई बात नहीं, अगर ऐसा हो गया तो you need to get up. So you give that time to yourself. और मैं हर इंसान को बोलूँगी, कोई if it's a mother or a working lady or a father, whatever, who's taking care of a husband, who's taking care of a family, उनकी जिंदगी में भी ये होता है और इसी का नाम है जिंदगी. तो उसको प्यार से जियो, अच्छी से जियो और enjoy the journey.
बट ये जो स्ट्रगल्स थे, उन्होंने क्या वर्क वाइज आपके लिए थोड़ा चैलेंजिंग सिचुएशन क्रिएट किया, क्योंकि आप काम पर फोकस करना चाहते थे बट यहाँ पर पर्सनल लाइफ में इतने डिस्टर्बेंस चल रहे थे, यू कुड नॉट फोकस, मे बी उस टाइम पे
जब आपकी जाती जिंदगी में ऐसी कोई चीजें होती हैं तो आपको मेंटली स्ट्रांग करती हैं, जो आपको अपनी जिंदगी में भी चाहिए, अपने काम में भी चाहिए. It breaks you for a certain point of time, but if it breaks you for the rest of your life, then that's a problem. If it happens that you fall down and you're not able to get back on your feet because you're struggling so badly, then you need professional help. I mean, but if you do get back up on your feet and you move forward, then that's just a beautiful lesson that you've learned from a situation which you couldn't handle or you've never been in earlier in your life.
And has that heartbreak made you bitter, or are you still open for love?
Not better. I've forgiven, but maybe I can't forget few things. But that's a part of life. I mean, I am human. If I'm going to go and love everybody who's done something bad to me, I don't call that very natural or very human. That's fine. But that's put into a box, and I want to live in the present and live forward and look forward, which is the most important thing, because that's the only thing which is real. जो एक गया गुजरा और जो खत्म हो गया, उसको बैठ के अभी क्या करना है, कुछ कर नहीं सकते. और इसी वक्त जो होता है, जो प्रेजेंट होती है, इसको प्रेजेंट कहते हैं. इट्स अ गिफ्ट. सो अगर आप उसको भी खराब कर दोगे क्योंकि आप पिछली जिंदगी आपके साथ पहले क्या हुआ है, You're wasting your time. There's no point.
Thank you so much and take care of yourself.
Thank you.
Be happy and be safe.
I will. देखो मैं कितना हंसती हूँ. All right. You have a beautiful day and take care.
You too. Bye.
Bye, sweetheart. Bye.